name is Jeremiah. I'm a Senior Technical Marketing Specialist for the Industrial segment at Hirose Electric Americas. So smart manufacturing is the future. Hirose is developing different types of technologies to meet that future by designing specific connectors for smart factories or smart manufacturing. So we're focusing on specific applications like mobile robots, where we'll design specific connectors for the batteries or the motors, or to design specifically to meet those market needs. Some of the ways that Hirose is overcoming some common challenges in manufacturing is by developing different new types of technology, like our one-action lock for FBC and FFC connectors, or even our floating board-to-board connectors that not only help the users make the connectors, but especially for assembly and manufacturing. It helps decrease any type of failures and help overall improvement in the operability. We not only collaborate with our customers, but also our partners. Inside these different smart manufacturing facilities, there's a lot of different components, from sensors, field devices, mobile robots that have to communicate with each other, and Hirose's connectors provide solutions that have different types of protocols and standards that work with other competitors or other devices to interconnect all technology.